PhD.
The government of Meghalaya, with the support of the World Health Organization, on Tuesday is organizing the Northeast India TB-Free Summit with the aim of establishing a tuberculosis-free zone in the Northeast region. Addressing the gathering, Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K. Sangma, said, "Healthcare has been one of the most important priorities of the government. In the last 6 years, they have continuously invested in the health sector on various fronts." He also launched the door-to-door mobile screening of tuberculosis and other lungs ailments using digital chest X-ray, AI-based.
No matter how many doctors we have, no matter how many nurses we have, no matter how many ministers we have and how many officials we have, if your heart is not in the right place, if your mindset is not correct, nothing can happen. When we are taking up a mission, let us take it up with full commitment and passion.